Hello viewers, my name is Rahul and I am a mathematics or quants educator. I specialize in SAT, GRE, GMAT or school mathematics. So today I'm going to talk about a problem solving question from GMAT. In the last class we already have discussed about a data sufficiency question from GMAT. So today we are going to discuss a problem solving question from GMAT that should be from the arithmetic section. So let us have a look at the question. So here we go with the first question. So the question is, if 3 to the power of p plus 3 to the power of p plus 3 to the power of p equals 3 to the power of q, what is p in terms of q? And we have the four options in front of us: q by 3, 3q, q plus 1, q minus 1. So in order to answer this question, we have to remember the rules of exponents. Okay. So before we go into the rules of exponents, let us first of all see what we can think about in this particular equation. Now see, 3 to the power p, 3 to the power p, 3 to the power p. So there are 3 to the power p, 3 times it is added. So can I write this thing as 3 to the power p times of 3? Can I write this one? If I add 3 plus 3 plus 3, so that is equivalent to 3 times of 3. If I add 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equivalent to 2 times of 3. So just like that, if I add 3 to the power p plus 3 to the power p plus 3 to the power p, that is also equivalent to 3 to the power p times of 3, and that I can write as 3 to the power q. Now let us recall the exponent formula, which says that if a to the power m is multiplied with a to the power n, that should result in a to the power m plus n. So if I use this particular rule of exponent here, so as you can see, multiplied by 3, that should be equivalent to 3 to the power 1, isn't it? Because something to the power 1 is that thing only. So I can write this thing as 3 to the power of p plus 1 by using this rule, and that should be equals to 3 to the power of q. Okay, now again, another exponent rule. It says if a to the power of p equals to a to the power of q, then I can say p should be equals to q. This is another exponent rule. If a to the power of p equals a to the power of q, then p equals q. So here 3 to the power of p plus 1 equals to 3 to the power of q. So here we can conclude that p plus 1 is equals to q. Here p is having the value of p plus 1, a is having the value of 3. Again, this is q. So we can conclude. So final conclusion from here. The question is, what is p in terms of q? So your answer shall be p equals to q minus 1. The final answer should be p equals to q minus 1, which is option D. So this is how we have solved this problem solving question. This is a very simple basic question for GMAT. So most probably that will come in the level of 500 to 600 level, that kind of question. But anyways, very important for the conceptual understanding. So I hope this was helpful for you. Keep sharing, and I'll meet you again on the next video for GMAT.